2011 GMC Acadia master window switch replacement.
Master window switch replacement.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
All right. So how are we gonna do it?
Two hex grooves, T30s. We got three of them actually. One there, two here. We'll take these out. We gotta take this whole door panel off. So go ahead and start right here. Alright, now that you got your screw loose, take your little extraction device, your hard to reach places, stick it right in there, grab your bolt, take it right on out. There you go. I have to take the whole thing out first. Okay. This is what we're looking at down here. Take these out. Little pop tabs. I think they're pull tabs. Yep, just a little clip. Push that tab down, and it comes right out. There we go. Pinch it and pull it. The rest should be. Actually, for this guy, we got these tabs here. Just push the tabs, pull the tabs out. There you go. Make sure the tabs are pushed in. Connect all your connectors. Alright. Make sure you feed the handle back through the hole first.
Once we are done, we are gonna check if all our windows are working. We changed the window master switch because that window was working, but it wasn't working with this master switch. So we knew that motor and regulator is good, but the switch was bad, which was this. So we changed the master switch, and now let's see if that works. It does. Okay. All the tools we used in the video are in the description.